and we can see here what has happened is it is broken, and we identify that it is broken, hence it was not able to release. You can see the piece is not length, on the other side it is lengthy. We have observed that this is broken. So what we need to do is so I am just fixing all the necessary things. You can see what happens. I am just releasing it. It stuck here. You can see it is stuck. You can see it is stuck here. So one of my sons said that we could limit the movement of this. So I thought of limiting with different ways. I'm just releasing it again. And we tried with this carbon that is inside the battery. We thought of placing it here. And that was one idea, so that it doesn't move back. It gets stuck. And we thought of cutting this. And another idea that stroke on our mind was this small screw. We tried lots of ways, and we finalized on this small screw. We see how we are going to place it here to stop the movement. Just take the spring, place the screw inside the spring, and let this stay inside. You can see it placed in. The screw is here. Now what happens is, when you push it back, it goes and hits on the screw, and it doesn't move further. You are able to see well. So this is a small idea that has made us work easily, and we had lots of other plans, but finally we have arrived on this. We are going to fix with this. This is a small idea. So small idea solves lots of problem. Have a great day.